Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about negative number 4. Later that we need to put back positive number 4. So we can do about factorization by negative number 1. This one we have 25. This one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 2 equals to number 5 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 sine t square, number 25, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So because we have s, so I will put number 2 go to the right. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about this one. This is about the constant, so you got number 0. So I will put this one gone here. S we change for this one. ds we change for this one. This one we have negative number 5. This one we have 25 sine t square. So number 25, we can do about factorization. This one that is about cosine t square. And this one we have number 5 cosine t. And now we simplify the integration of sine t. We have negative number 5 cosine t. The next one that is about 5t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.